going on? It is DJ MOJOE and I'm here at this beautiful venue called Ethereal Gardens in Escondido. This video is going to be for all of the engaged brides who are planning their wedding here at this venue, or just looking at wedding venues in general and just want to get some inspiration of what your wedding could look like and feel like. In this video, I'll be sharing with you what it's like to have a wedding from a DJ perspective. We'll be talking about the flow, the setup, and what's happening throughout the night. Today, I'm DJing for my couple, Skyler and Gabby. Today is November 11th, 2024. We're about to get things started with the ceremony. We'll have the cocktail hour afterwards and the reception here underneath the tent. So this is gonna be super beneficial for you to understand what your wedding could look like and feel like at Ethereal Gardens. And I hope by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for and that you'll know how to work with your DJ to make it a wonderful experience, not just for you, but also for your guests as well. By the way, for those people who are new to the channel, I'm DJ MOJOE, a professional DJ down here in Southern California, specializing in weddings, and I help couples like you understand what it's like to have a wedding, and I take you behind the scenes of what I do to make sure that everything is flawless. So I'm super excited to walk you through this wedding right here. This is Skyler and Gabby's wedding here at Ethereal Gardens. Let me show you around of what's going on here today. Okay, so right now we are at the reception site. This venue is spacious. As you can see here underneath this tent, you can hold a lot of guests here. This is the main setup that I have going on here today. I have my DJ booth with the screen. I have a slideshow of the couple playing in the background throughout the night. So when it gets dark, people can see the pictures of the couple right there. I have my speakers for the dance floor, and I also have some side speakers to cover this side of the room and this side of the area as well. So it sounds really good. I want to make sure that people can hear the music and hear my announcements clearly. This setup is what I have going on here today. And at night, we also have some uplights that's placed all around the tent to create a nice vibe when it gets dark in here. I have lights for the dance floor and lights for the tent. So this is the reception area. I figured I'd show you this spot first since I'm already here. But before then, we have the cocktail hour and the ceremony. So let me share with you what that setup looks like. So from the tent area, I'm walking you and sharing with you the cocktail hour setup. We have an outdoor cocktail hour space. We have the seating chart right over here, and it's really nice how they have these records. I'll show you. These are where all the names are placed. Really nice. This is the seating chart. It says music sounds better with you. So that's the outdoor cocktail hour space. And then right over here is my DJ booth. I'm using my white facade, as you can see right here. And right over here, just right outside of the Cedar Bar Lounge, I have my DJ booth, which is located right there. I have my secondary laptop. I have my QSC speaker that covers this outdoor space. I have my secondary DJ controller and my hard drive. So I'm ready to go once it's time to invite guests from the ceremony site, which is located up there, and when they join us down below right here. So the cocktail hour space, we have this outdoor space outside, and we also have an indoor space inside the Cedar Bar Lounge. And what's really important is to have sound inside. So instead of running a Spotify playlist, I like to actually mix music and DJ the cocktail hour. So coming out from my mixer, I have one sound XLR to this speaker and the other one to my inside speaker to cover the space, which means for you, your guests can enjoy music inside and outside, and they get to hear the exact same thing, which is super important to create a seamless music experience. So wherever the people hang out and grab some drinks and mingle and hang out, people can hear the exact music, and it's very cohesive. And that's the setup that we have going on here for the cocktail hour. And now let me show you the ceremony site. Here we are at the ceremony site at Ethereal Gardens. This is called the Grotto, the very popular venue site here, as you're about to see. So right now guests are arriving, and behind this grotto is my DJ setup, and I'll share with you what that looks like. So when guests arrive, they park their car. We have some refreshments up here. There's a place where people can sign the guest book, take some pictures, and then they take their seats. Let me show you what this place looks like. Here we are. This is the ceremony site here at Ethereal Gardens. Look how beautiful this looks. We have some flowers down below, some petals. We have the sign right here, Gabriella and Skyler. So my DJ setup is placed on the left side right over here. I have 2 speakers to cover this side of the ceremony, and then I have another speaker to cover the front, to cover this whole space. And it's very important to have sound back there pointing this way, because people who are lined up, they need to hear the music. So people will be coming right here and they're walking down. Now, if you notice, we have chairs halfway. It just shows that we can have a lot more people here at Ethereal Gardens. I believe today we have about 100 people or so, but we have lots of room here to place more chairs and to invite more guests. And depending on the season, these change colors. It looks, right now it is November and it still looks beautiful. This is the grotto here at Ethereal Gardens. Oh, and one more thing. I like this spot too because we can hide stuff behind here. Sometimes we have musicians play music as guests arrive. They're stationed right over here. All right, so behind here, I'll show you my DJ setup. All right, taking you behind the scenes of the DJ setup here. I'm hidden behind these plants right over here. There's the first line of defense. And then we have more plants in front separating me from the guests. And this is where the magic happens. I have 2 speakers right here. This is my QSC K8.2. No need for a speaker stand. I can place it right here. It's daisy chained to my first speaker right over here on this ledge. This speaker covers the front side. This speaker covers the back side. Like I mentioned earlier, it really creates a nice, smooth experience and balanced sound throughout the whole space, from the front to the back. And this is what I'm running here today. This is my ceremony rack with my power conditioner on top, 2 Shure microphones, my digital Bose T4S mixer, 2 microphones, music, and a 3rd mic in case I need it. This is the lapel mic for the Efficient. So very nice antenna right here to make sure I get enough signal and reach. But other than that, we did a sound test and it sounds great. So that way people can hear things clearly, whether that's announcements or music.
Clap it up right now for the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Lawson. Wedding party, join in. Go, 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 go. Hey, hey, hands up, hands up. Hey, 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 hey.
And that's all you need to know. No love lost, we got you and I.
Keep dancing with your partner. Always forever. We want to see them kiss real quick. Have them kiss, kiss, kiss. 1, 2, 3. Make some noise. Let's go. Let's go, Skyler.
Oh, baby.
big home, what you pop, pop.
All right, guys, that is a wrap for Skyler and Gabby's wedding here at Ethereal Gardens. It was so lit. I've gotten many compliments on the music, the playlist, and everything. It's not your traditional wedding music. I didn't play any line dances or any of that. I play lots of remixes, some EDM, and some familiar music that connects everyone together. And we ended the night with a fun grand exit outside, as you've seen there. We are cleaning things up and packing up for the night. There was a lot of things that happened tonight. If you have any questions about anything, drop it down in the comments below or DM me on Instagram. More than happy to help you out. But I hope this gave you some insight of what your wedding could look like here. But a few notable things, as you noticed in the video, that it's so important to have lights that react to the music, and not just lights that go randomly and not really in tune with the beat. With my lights, I really created a light show. I had lights all around the tent. They dimmed or turned off the house lights, and it was my lights to shine. I had lights around the atmosphere, lights for the dance floor, and just really created a good vibe. When those drops hit, people not only hear it and see it, but they feel it. It's like an immersive experience through the eyes and through the ears, and the bass that I have from my baseball speakers sounds phenomenal. I forgot to mention today, I'm using my Meyer Sound Ultra X40 tops and my baseball subs, and it sounds incredible. Super clean, and overall, like, people felt the music here tonight. Super fun. Skyler, Gabby, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for having me as your DJ. This was an amazing time, and I wish you an amazing rest of your lives together. All right, well, that's it for now. I'm DJ MOJOE. Follow me on Instagram to see more of what I'm up to. If you're interested in potentially having me as your DJ, there's a link down below, or you can go to djmojoe.com and schedule a meeting there with me. All right, that's it for now. In the meantime, check out the other videos that I have up here, and I'll catch you later. Take care, and see you next time.